This is how windy and snowy it is. This is the blizzard that you guys hear about on TV covering the Midwest. As you can see, there should be a mountain in the foreground, and there's not because there's so much snow and wind. There's the UPS guy. He's delivering despite rain or snow. Nothing's going to keep him from delivering. Kind of like the United States Post Office. Anyway, try to get close up on this windy day. See, there's the snow blowing past the light, and you can hear the wind passing through. Now we'll open the window and you'll get, see, a lot of wind here, you can hear it. My wife's freezing. Still people driving back and forth. That's the Subaru, so you can probably make it. So anyway, that's how it is. February 1st, 2011, we've migrated to this place from California, sunny California, most moderate weather in the world, and it's 5 p.m. It should be a little more brighter, but it's not because so much clouds. Again, there's the mountains over there that has disappeared. That's how windy it is. There was a big gust, so we're trying to catch it. That's just a block down. You can't see the houses there, but you can kind of see it. I'll try to catch it later. So this is Harvey Action News. They say it's 4 inches overnight, 6 inches yesterday, expect another 6 inches today. See how the snow piled up? You can see that little stop sign is kind of buried. And you can see it against the cars. That's how high it is. Anyways, it's never gusting when you're filming. Isn't that crazy, dude? I don't know how there's no snow on him, on that car. Some kind of magic. Anyway. There's my wife. Another view from our guest room. This is the parking lots adjacent to our building. Madison, Wisconsin. Snowstorm, back-to-back snowstorms in the winter of 2011. It's kind of dying down right now. I don't like that trick, yeah. Kind of nice in the safety of our own house. Not so nice if we were out there. And that's it. And fade out. street we drive on. Most of that snow accumulated in the last hour. That's some poor guy driving in it. But anyway. So this is our beautiful house. It's so warm, usually. There's my beautiful wife cooking a marvelous meal, which we enjoyed today. And this place also has a fireplace. It's not just any ordinary fireplace. This one doesn't produce fire. It produces ice. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is ice going through our fireplace. I guess it's an ice place. It kind of broke down, and so during one of the bad winter storms here, it's just iced up. That's how cold it is down here. But don't worry, we're cranking up the heat and we're enjoying it despite of all things. It's a little blurry, but at least the camera will be safe. Okay, this is us going to the snowstorm. What?
It's too windy for me.
Okay. So this is us.
I don't know what it is. Be careful.
If we fall, it's just gonna be in the snow. Indians, I can't figure out why Indians would stay here. Oh. Like -5 right now. Let's see what it looks like over there. Yeah, I just want to see what's up there. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't have that much over yet. Oh my goodness. Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, good. stuff you go through. The typical. Oh, the ice on the face is.
It feels like needle.
Yeah.
I can't take any more flip.
Good. It's too icy.
What are you trying to do?
I'm just trying to face you. Ugh. Careful. Don't fall. My nose is running, I realize it. And we're back. We did it. Okay. This is the aftermath. Let's get close up on the glasses.
Invigorating. I think we only lasted 5 minutes.
All snowed in. My wife is blind. She doesn't know how much.
His face is all red.
Oh. The ice. This was completely soaked almost immediately. Immediately after the exit of the house, and our faces started stinging right away as well, especially this white face. So that was February 1st. See, son, we're lively and crazy. Oh.